Alright, so in this video, I have 9 over 4 to the power of 9 over 4. So I want to find the value of this. To start, what I'm first going to do is focus on what I have inside the parentheses. So I have 9 and 4, and I'm going to rewrite this as 3 squared over 4 squared to the power of 9 over 4. And the reason I did this is because if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So in this case, this turns into 3 over 4 to the power of 2, and I have this to the power of 9 over 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this turns into 3 over 4 to the power of 2 times 9 over 4, which turns into 3 over 4 to the power of 18 over 4, which is 3 over 4 to the power of 9 over 2. Sorry, this should be 3 over 2 to the power of 9 over 2. Now, 9 over 2, I'm going to rewrite that as 4 plus 5 over 2. And this is equal to 3 over 2 to the power of 4 over 2 plus 5 over 2. Now from here, I get 3 over 2 to the power of 2 plus 5 over 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this gives me 3 over 2 to the power of 2 times 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2. Because if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Now 3 over 2 squared is 9 over 4, so I have 9 over 4 times 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2. And 3 over 2 to the power of 5 over 2 is the same thing as the square root of 3 over 2 to the power of 5. And this turns into 9 over 4 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 2, and the square root of 3 put to the power of 5, the square root of 2 I can put to the power of 5. Now the square root of 3 to the power of 5 is equal to the square root of 3 times 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 the square root of 3. So two square root of 3's multiplied to each other simply make 3. So I have 3 times the square root of 3, which is equal to 9 root 3. And for the square root of 2 to the power of 5, it's the same thing. It's going to be 2 times the square root of 2, which is equal to 4 root 2. So now I get 9 over 4 times 9 root 3 over 4 root 2. And if I multiply 9 over 4 with this, I get 81 root 3 over 16 root 2. Which turns into 81 to the power of 6 over 32. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 500 squared minus 499 squared. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as 499 plus 1 squared minus 499 squared. And if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 499 plus 1 squared is turned into 499 squared plus 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared, and I have this minus 499 squared. Now I can cancel out 499 squared and negative 499 squared, so I'll be left with 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared. 2 times 499 is 998, times 1 is just 998, and I have this plus 1 squared, which is plus 1, and this is equal to 999. Now I actually have another method of solving this. So I have 500 squared minus 499 squared, and this time I'm going to rewrite this as 500 squared minus 500 minus 1 squared. Now, if I have something in the form a minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a minus b, which is equal to, if I factor this out, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to turn into 500 squared minus 500 squared minus 2 times 500 times 1 plus b squared, which is 1 squared. So these two cancel out. However, this is actually going to be in parentheses. So the negative sign distributes. So this turns into 500 squared minus 500 squared plus 2 times 500 times 1, which is the same thing as 2 times 500, minus 1 squared. Now these two can cancel out, so I get 1,000 minus 1, which is equal to 999. So again, I get 999 as my answer.